Hello, today I will tell you how you can toggle your objects. Before starting the video, anyone who hasn't watched the previous video should see it first, as I explained the full step-by-step process of how to upload your avatar. So let's start the video. First, we will need VRC Fury. I will provide its link in the description. After opening that page, click on download VRC Fury and then click on click to add VRC Fury to the VRChat Creator Companion. Clicking this will open your Creator Companion. Here, click on the add option to add it. Since mine is already downloaded, I will explain the next step on how to add it. Go to the projects section. If you are starting a new, click on new project, set the name etc. and click create project. Now, you will see VRC Fury with a plus symbol. Click on it to add it. Now we also need to add gesture manager. So we will click on the plus symbol for that as well and then click open project. If you have already done everything and only the toggling is left, go to the creator companion, click manage project on your project and add VRC Fury and gesture manager from there and they will be added. So let's move to the next step. Now in Unity you need to select your model's main object in the hierarchy panel and then in the inspector panel go to add component, type VRC and then scroll down to find the toggle option. There it is, add the toggle. Now an error might show up saying that the VRC avatar descriptor is missing. Go to add component and add the VRC avatar descriptor to make this error go away. Now we need to toggle our tank top. So in the menu path we will write tank top. Click on add action and select object toggle. After that drag and drop the object you want to toggle onto where it says none game object. So we will drag and drop the tank top. And in the menu path options, click and select saved between worlds. Now right click on the hierarchy panel and select create empty and name it gesture manager. Now select the gesture manager object. Go to add component and add the gesture manager component. And yes, our toggle is now ready. Now we will test if it is working correctly. So we will click on enter play mode. And yes, it is working correctly. Now look here. Our object is already off by default and we are turning it on ourselves. To fix this, we will exit play mode. And since it is currently turned on, we will turn it off and then check again. And yes, it is fine now. It is up to you whether you want to keep it off or on by default. And if you want to toggle multiple objects, I will also tell you how to do that. Now we will turn off play mode. For example, if you want to toggle these pants and shoes as well, it's simple. Select the object where you first added a toggle again. Go to add component, search for VRC and add a toggle here. Give your object the same name. I will name mine pants. In the options, select save between worlds and click add action and select object toggle. And here we will drag and drop the object. We will do the exact same thing for the other object. I have added them now and we will go into play mode to test it. And yes, our multiple objects are now toggling. Okay, here I want to tell you that these pants, shoes and tank top were already linked with the armature. So I didn't need to link them. But if you have imported an object from a browser, it won't be linked. So you will first have to link it so that it connects with the armature and the system knows which bone it should move with. So let me tell you how to do that as well. Exit play mode. Select your object. Go to add component and search for armature link and add it. Now go to the armature settings here and look. For example, since my tank top needs to be linked with the spine bone, look at its name in the hierarchy panel. Similarly, the shoes will be linked with the left foot and right foot bones. Drag and drop your object onto the game object field and in link to avatar, select the bone with which you want to link your object. And yes, Now our work is complete. Before uploading, test the avatar once more and then upload it. If you don't know how to upload, watch my latest video. I have explained the full step-by-step process of how to upload. So this was today's video, and tell me in the comment section what topic I should make the next video on. Now grant me leave. Goodbye.